Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm LaDonna and I'm back with another video. I am back with another freaking video. So in today's video, I'm just coming to you guys with Icon Box for the month of February 2025. The box is $65. $65 a month plus $1.99 shipping and handling. Yeah, you get 8 full-size products and you get to choose 3 of those products. So that can be either makeup, skincare, or makeup tools. So and I also get the beauty boost, and that's $15 a month. So I'm gonna be showing y'all 9. I'm gonna be showing y'all 9 products. Again, 8 come in the box, and then you got your beauty boost, and that's $15 also a month. So I hope y'all having a wonderful day. And now let's get into this. Let's get into this box. Y'all know I'd be excited. And yes, I have my robe on. How tacky! I know. Yes, yes, yes. Nice and tacky. But I'm clean and comfortable. It's all good. So here's the box. This is a box right here. I've already destroyed it. Okay, that's our box. And let's get our, I think it came, yeah, it came with a little paper. So our curator for this box is Miss Gabrielle Union, which I was like, okay. And it's Black History Month, so that's super dope. That's super dope. I'm digging that. I love that. I love that. So yeah, anyways, this is Miss Gabrielle Union. I know Gabrielle Union for being Dwayne Wade's wife. And I think she's Dwayne Wade's wife. And then she also plays in like a lot of movies and stuff like that. So anywho, we finna see what she chose. We finna see what she chose. I'm glad they chose a Black creator for the month of February. Happy Black History Month. All right. So let's get into this box, y'all. The first item in the box, I was so excited about this, and I do remember choosing this. This is a perfume by Maison Louise Marie, and this is number 14. Cecilia, I think. I don't know. Y'all know I be jacking these words up. I guess I had to look them up before I come on here, but I don't. So it is Maison Louise Marie, and it is number 14. Okay. Y'all know I'm so excited about this perfume. And not only that, y'all, when I smelled this perfume, she was pretty. She's really pretty. So here it is right here. Clean and simple. I love this. I love the way it looks. It's nothing special, but I like the way that it looks. Nice and simple. And then we have our little top right there. Very nice. This is 50 ml, so it's 1.7 fluid ounces. And it's really pretty. It's really, really pretty. So that's the first item in our box. Very, very pretty. And I'm very excited to have this. As a matter of fact, real quick, every perfume that I've received from Maison Louise Marie, they have been wonderful since. Like, they have been really beautiful since. So I enjoyed that. So the second item in the box is by First Aid Beauty, and this is a bump eraser body scrub with 10% AHA, and it's safe for sensitive skin. This is so nice. I love everything. That I've received from First Aid Beauty. There's nothing that I haven't received from First Aid Beauty that I haven't enjoyed. So that is our second item in our box. The third item in the box is by Biro, and this is an oat yogurt moisture barrier cream right here. And this is the cream. Let's see if she got a smell. Let's see if it's got a smell to it. Just kind of milky. Smell a little oats. It's a nice smell. It's a very nice smell. The liquid is kind of thin, so it's not like a thick moisturizer, but that's okay. So there it is right there. So there it is. It's nice little moisturizer. Nice scent, not too loud. So that is our third item in the box. I I love getting moisturizers, y'all. I do. I love getting moisturizers, so that's nice. All right, so the fourth item in the box are some brushes, and they are by Shades by Shan. And this is a 5-piece brush set. I took them out the package. And here they are right here. Love Shades by Shan. I love they have some really, really wonderful blush. I still got that blush, and I love that blush. I really do. So there are the brushes right there. I don't think I chose these. I think these just, yeah, I don't think I chose these. But we definitely going to use them. I'm going to probably get these to my daughter. So there are the brushes right there. There's 5 of them. And I think these going to do good. I think these going to do excellent. So that is our 4th item in the box. Let's go for our 5th item out this damn box. The 5th item in the box is by Boxhum. And this is a full-on plumping lip oil. And look at that shade, y'all. Listen, when they send me my lip products, the lip products always be on point. 9 times out of 10, they send the shade that I want, and I love that. So here it is right here. I'm so happy to get this. It is in the shade Dolly. So she's in the shade Dolly, and we definitely gonna use her, baby. We're gonna use her. There's that big dofa right there. And there is our lip oil. So yes, yes, yes. Again, this is a lip oil, and this is by Boxhum. Very, 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 very happy to get this. Yes, 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 yes. All right, the 6th item in the box is by Rare Beauty. Okay. I thought this was a concealer. I was hoping that it'd be a concealer, but it is not. It is a, it says, it's a contour for the eyes. What is it? I forget. A weightless brightening liquid formula that illuminates, refresh under eyes. So this is a under eye brightener, okay? I was really hoping this was a concealer because this is like my exact shade. This is such a beautiful, beautiful color. I'm gonna try to use it as a concealer. I don't know how to go, but why not? So here it is. I love that. I think they got too much on there. Huh. Is that metal? I like that. I really like that. There's the shade right there. I don't know if do I like that dofa? Alright, so there's the shade right there. Have y'all tried this? Let me know down in the comments if y'all tried this before. So this is our 5th, I think our 5th item in the box. And this is by Rare Beauty. Boom. I love that. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Yeah, so this is our 6th item in the box. Our 7th item in the box is by NARS. We got a lot of lip products, y'all, and I'm happy about that. And this is in the shade 102 Killer Queen. 102 Killer Queen. And here it is right here. That's really pretty. That is really, really pretty. I'm thinking this is a matte lip, like a matte lipstick or lippy. There it is right there. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. I love that. Again, there's the shade right here. Very pretty. Like a brick red, burnt oranges, orangey. That's very pretty for the winter and the fall. I love that. So that is our 7th item in our box. Love that. All right, our 8th item in the box is by Fenty. We got Fenty right here. It's a matte velvet lipstick from Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And I do have the paper right there, y'all. I have to hurry before I run out of storage. And these two are the swatches right there. And this is very pretty. The color is just right up my alley. I love this. So there it is right there. All right, so that was the 8th item. Our last item is my beauty boost for the month, and this is what I picked. It is a Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette from Danessa Murray. These are the perfect colors and these right here. Very pretty. I'm excited. Like, I'm so happy about this. I cannot wait to use this because you can use it for your lips and your cheeks, baby. So that's gorgeous. So that is it for this video. Bye, y'all.